Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your headphones Huawei FreeBuds. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case and close the case. Right here we should have not connected. Here we go, now open it. And we have connected again. Then remove it from the charging case and check maybe it fixes your problem. But if it doesn't, we should make a hard reset. So put it to the charging case and press and hold this connectional button until this LED light starts flashing red. Here we go. Now, we should remove the headphones, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that click on your headphones at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!